Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for this log, we're diving into the FreeCAD with Python scripting. So I'll show you how to create a parametric hollow box that you can control with just a few variables. So the length, width, height, and the wall thickness. So by the end of this log, you'll see how to automate geometry in FreeCAD. So using Python to cut out shapes and build a reusable parametric design so you can modify anytime. So let's jump right into the code and start building our hollow box in FreeCAD. So for the scripting part, we will going to import the modules. So FreeCAD is the core application used to create documents, objects, and the geometry. So FreeCAD GUI only works when the FreeCAD is open. And then here we will going to have part. So it's a workbench module for solid modeling. So like BREP, shapes, Boolean ops, and other things. Instead of hard-coding geometry, you can define a variable with a parametric design. Then, we're going to make a FreeCAD document called parametric box. Now we're going to create an outer solid. This will create a solid block of the full box dimension. Now for the inner cutout, we will going to subtract the wall thickness times 2 from the x and y, which is the length and width. So both walls have thickness. And then we're going to subtract the wall thick from the z, or which is the height or the box height. Now we're going to position the inner cutout. So I'm going to move the inner box up and inside so that it can centered and leaving equal walls all around. Now this operation will make the hollow box. So we have a Boolean operation. So outer minus inner equals the hollow box. And then we're going to add a document. So we create a FreeCAD object in the document and assigns the computed shape. And then we will going to update the view. So the doc that recompute updates the document, and then the view axonometric function will set a nice 3D isometric view. Then view fit will zoom to fit the object. And then lastly, we're going to save or copy the scripting code that we have and then open up the FreeCAD application, and we will going to create a macro file. So here we have a macro file, and we save or we copy paste our scripting code in that macro file. And lastly, we're going to execute the macro file that we have or the Python scripting that we have. And that's it. We just built a parametric box in FreeCAD using Python. So it is simple, clean, and fully customizable. So if you got ideas for improvements, maybe adding a lid, holes, or parametric handles, drop your suggestion in the comment below, and I'll love to cover them in the future videos. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.